Hey guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram filter not working. Here I have my account open. Then let's tap here in the plus sign symbol here at the upper left corner. If you want to post the story, reel, or live. Then if you want, you can also swipe our screen going to your right. Then it will open our camera. Then you can see here list of filters below. Then if ever this filters not loading, possible issue here is with regards to your internet connection. What you will do is just refresh your internet, just disconnect your internet and connect it again. Then it will refresh all the filters here in your Instagram story. And if ever that this problem still exists, that those filters will not show up, then it's time for you to reload or to upload your Instagram application. Okay, let's go to your settings, go to apps, then choose these apps, then search for Instagram. And then here, open the storage and tap this clear cache and clear data, and it will reinstall a fresh start of an Instagram application. Then open your Instagram again, then it will allows you to log in again. And then just open your camera by swiping it going to right. Then allow this, allow. Okay, that's it guys. I hope that this video will help you a lot, and keep following for more video tips. Thank you.